Hi guys, so today I come out with a Zeppelin Cortado contact mic and I'm recording to a Zoom H5 studio, and I'm basically collecting sound effects from items that I've actually noticed. I'm having a bit of a non-day, so I thought just go out there and get them, see what they sound like, and then in the future we may be able to do something different with them for some sound effects. So I'm just going to get on with it. I'm going to do this one here now. This has got some amazing reverb. So it's an old slate cart from the quarries here where I live, and I know there's another one just down there, so I'll go and get that one as well. And then there's a lamppost I want to get, and I'm going to have a scan up over the side because I think there may be a few over there as well. So I'll just make a little video of me collecting the sounds. I might do some effects if we get any, and I'll leave them on here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.